Welcome home to 2832 McCook Avenue. This is a great Greg Welch home, almost 2,900 square feet here on the sunny side of Awbrey Butte. Let's go inside and we'll have a look. As you first enter this home, you can really tell how well built it is. It has nice craftsman trim all the way around and this great office space just off the front entry. Here in the great room, it's so meant for gathering with this nice hearth with bookcases on either side, great access to the dining space, and a slider door going to the back paver patio. This kitchen is laid out so well. It has this nice island which anchors it with the rounded edge and bar stool space for 4, as well as a great corner pantry and this sink that has windows on either side. The primary suite here on the main floor has nice hardwood flooring and great access to the back deck, as well as a really nice bathroom with a walk-in shower and tub and double vanity. The upstairs of this home is almost a whole separate living space with a great loft area with plenty of windows and light, 3 full bedrooms and a nice shared bath with separation between the shower and the vanities. Room for all. Nearly 3/4 acre lot here in Awbrey Butte, this home really has it all. It backs to a nice set of common space and great westerly light for the evening sunsets. This is a home that has to be appreciated here in person, so we invite you to come have a look.